What's up, guys? My name's Chris. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since we shot a show. We've been handling real stuff, real problems, real opportunities, real life business things. And the irony is, today we're going to talk about how to pitch investors and consultants. All right. So, specifically, if you're an entrepreneur, business owner, or someone with an idea, and you're looking to pitch a investor, if you're looking to pitch a consultant, if you're looking to pitch maybe a partner, I have some do's and don'ts for you. And this content specifically comes from the abundance of pitches that I've received over the past quarter, almost weekly. So there's 12 weeks in the quarter. I've probably been pitched about 12 times this quarter already. And it actually provided us with a lot of live data to be able to teach you guys how to pitch investors, partners, and consultants with live examples. Before we get into the show, guys, hook us up, smash that like button. Smash that like button twice, smash it 3 times, sign into your other account, like the show, help YouTube get this out to everybody else, hit subscribe, and let's get to it. Okay, so top 3 tips for pitching investors, partners, and consultants. Number one, guys, and this might seem like the most, what's the best word for it? Obvious to many people. However, this is the number one thing that I see as the biggest problem when it comes to pitching people, that those pitching others, right? Those seeking a partner or an investor or a consultant, they come without skin in the game. Okay, what does that mean? That means that what I've witnessed over the past quarter specifically is anyone that was pitching me, most people that were pitching me, almost all of them that were pitching me, whether it was to consult them as a partner, as a consultant, or as an investor, none of them except for one person brought skin to the game. So what does that mean, skin to the game? Skin to the game is money, okay? Look at it this way. There's an old saying that money talks and bullshit walks, all right? If every single person that pitched an investor or pitched a consultant or pitched a potential partner, all right, brought an idea and brought promises of what that idea is going to yield, and had no money to back it up, they're going to be laughed at by consultants, by investors, and by potential partners. Let's say you have an idea and you are looking for a partner, you are looking for an investor, or you're looking for a consultant. And this idea that you have, you think is the most amazing idea, and it's going to revolutionize your industry, maybe humanity. But you sit in front of these people and you basically are trying to sell them on the idea, but have no money or offer no money to build this idea or build this partnership or work with the consultant or anything. You bring no money to the game. All right, you're going to get laughed at. And fundamentally, what's happening is you're wasting the time of the potential partner, the potential consultant, or the potential investor, okay? Investors specifically, all right, they're going to look at a lot of things when it comes to ideas that are brought to them, but they're being looked at as the financial backing to the idea. If you bring no financial backing to the financial backer, you're not going to get very far. If you're coming to a consultant and you want their expertise and want to promise them that your product or idea or whatever it is that you're bringing will pay them out on the back end. No consultant that is worth anything is going to even pay attention to that sort of pitch. Consultants, and if they're good, is what I'm saying, they don't work for free. There's a reason why they're a good consultant, and that's because they've built many things or something and are looked at as an expert in their field or many fields. On the same token, if you're looking to land a partner and you have no money to bring to the game, and you're looking at the partner to be not only a partner, but a consultant and an investor in your company, and they see that you have no skin in the game or no money or not willing to put any money up, the chances of them saying yes to partnership is slim to none. So the first thing that we have to understand is if you're going to pitch anybody, you have to have skin in the game. Number two, never ask for anything for free. All right. Everybody's got ideas. Everyone's got plans. I shouldn't say everyone, but a lot of people have ideas. A lot of people have plans. A lot of people understand that they have something to offer. And I respect that. We respect that. Anyone willing to listen to you respects that. But when you come to people and ask for things for free, maybe their service, maybe their partnership, maybe no return on the investor's money, it's a really bad look. You look like you're just taking and not giving. Your idea isn't giving. Your idea is an idea. And for it to materialize, you're going to have to do a lot of giving rather than asking. It might sound ridiculous to a lot of people, but when you're pitching others, don't ask for anything for free. Look for opportunities to give, which is what gets us into our third tip for pitching investors, partners, and consultants, or all three in one. Have something to offer, right? Just have something to offer these people. And as you can see, all three tips tie into each other. Having skin in the game, never ask for anything for free, and having something to offer. If you sit down with a potential partner, okay, and you have an idea, but you have no money, you have no expertise, and you're looking at them to be a partner, an investor, and the consultant in the relationship, which was the majority of the people that pitched me, by the way, this quarter, right? With huge promises. But promises isn't an offer of giving something. Promises is like a pipe dream when you have nothing to offer. Having something to offer, like potentially a plan, potentially number splits. I'm talking about like a business plan, like basics, a business plan, potential partnership splits, potential locations, potential anything to help the individual that you're asking. And I'm not talking about offering them like shout outs on social media. I mean, you should be shouting them out regardless for free because it is something that can be done for free, especially if you're trying to get into bed with someone who you want to be your partner, consultant, investor, and or all three. Look for opportunities to give something, offer something to these people prior to showing up and having no skin in the game and only asking for things. I assure you that if you take these three tips into a meeting with any of these types of individuals, a potential partner, a consultant, an investor, and or all three, if you bring skin to the game, don't ask for anything for free, and have something to offer these people, they're going to listen to you. And if they listen to you, you have a better chance of moving forward in the relationship with them. Now, I'm not saying that these 3 things are going to secure 100% what you're looking for. However, they will drastically increase your ability to secure what it is you're looking for. Very much like showing up for a job interview and being organized and prepared for the job interview. You're going to have a higher chance of landing that job than showing up unorganized, don't know what you're doing, late. You're going to be laughed at right out of the room. And if you have been pitching people, right? If you're listening to this and you have been pitching people and you have made all 3 of these mistakes, perfect, because they're super easy to rectify, right? And if you're thinking about pitching someone on your idea, if you implement these 3 things, I guarantee you it will separate you from being laughed at to being considered. That's what I got for you today, guys. If you haven't smashed that like button, smash that like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Drop a comment with your feedback below. Help this video get seen by hitting that like button, by subscribing and dropping a comment. And if you want to support the show, guys, pick up a copy of my first book, Dominate Your Day, A High Performer's Guide to Winning at Life. It's going over really well with the audience and everyone that has read it. We have great reviews on Amazon, and if you want a copy, the link is in the show notes. We do hand-signed copies, by the way. I'm just saying it's pretty legit. All right, guys, check everything out. Hit that like button, subscribe, drop a comment, and if you want, grab a copy of the book, and I'll catch you next time.